Hi, my name is Paul from Value Blue, and today I will show you how to update your established official process with an updated process inside your BlueDolphin environment. After you have published or made a process official within BlueDolphin, it is entirely possible that it will need to be updated sometime in the future within your environment. Here, you can see the official view we are going to update within BlueDolphin. We're going to click on the Objects tab. We're going to go to your current business processes and click on your given view. In this example, we are going to be hiring a new employee. Go to your views, and here you can see that the out-of-date view from 2020 is still official. We're going to select that view and then update it to a new view that we just created. We will then select Set as Official BPN Model. I recommend giving it a unique name so it's more easily identifiable. Now we click OK. You have now renewed an official view. When you return to the official processes, you can see this view has now been changed. Thanks for watching this tips and tricks video. My name is Paul with Value Blue.